front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen twice. Once, and then a second time. Now, with all of your shortcuts right in front of you, look for Auto Rotate 1. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned blue. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same shortcut until it's black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!